An enthusiastic morning to one and all present over here. This is Ruben Koekal from grade 8. Today I am here to tell today's day and date. Today's day is Thursday and today's date is 23rd January 2025. Thank you and have a cheerful day ahead. Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Vedant and I am studying in class 8-3. Today I am going to tell you thought for the day. Today's thought for the day is freedom is not given, it is taken. True freedom requires struggle, effort and courage to achieve. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Shraddha Olympiad School from grade 8D. This is Shruti Boas from grade 8. This is Vedika Kotai from grade 8. This is Varali Tado from grade 8. Shruti, do we celebrate Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose Jayanti? Yes, today we remember and celebrate the birth anniversary of Netaji. He was India's greatest freedom fighter. His courage and leadership inspired millions to fight for India's independence. Vedika, who was Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose? Netaji was born on January 23, 1897 in Odisha. He was a great leader, founder of Indian National Army and known for his famous slogan, Jai Hind. Shreya, can you tell me another slogan or famous quote by Netaji? Yes, another famous quote by Netaji is, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." Swarali, what leadership qualities of Netaji do we admire the most? Courage, determination or his patriotism. Shruti, can you name another countries for where he sought the support for India's independence? Yes, it is Japan and Germany. Vedika, why it is important to remember leaders like Netaji today? They remind us the value of freedom and sacrifice made to achieve it. Shreya, can you tell me another slogan? Shreya, how do you think that education helps in reducing poverty? Education provides us skills for better jobs, higher wages, and more opportunities, reducing the chance to live in poverty. We at Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize on being disciplined, courageous, and working good for the nation. Let's celebrate Netaji's vision and work together for a brighter future. Jai